Hi, this is Jeff at Dream Travel by Design, where you dream it and we design it. I'm doing a hotel review here at the Hotel Crosby in beautiful downtown Stillwater. Let's go inside and take a look. So this is the beautiful seating area in the Cockburn suite with the nice patio out front, a view downtown Stillwater, couch, full-size couch at that, the bedroom behind, and a beautiful full kitchen over here with the flat tops stove, a full fridge, a nice sink, coffee making area. Could easily have a beautiful, relaxing breakfast right here in your room here at the Cockburn at Hotel Crosby. And in the sleeping area, there is another TV entertainment center area with a nice chair. Again, a view of downtown Stillwater. A big bed with lots of comfortable pillows for you to choose from. Just a really nice look and feel to the place. The restroom has this photo mural on the wall and nice white subway tile, lighted mirror, plenty of counter space to do your morning routine. Of course, the toilet and a nice large walk-in shower with place for your shampoo. Sometimes that can be a hard thing to find. So this is a really nice setup here. And again, this takes you back out to your sleeping area. So one of the neat features of this room is it's got its own patio. So let's take a step out here and check this out. So you can do this without tripping. And so you can come out here and sit on your own private patio outside and enjoy the day. Have your morning cup of coffee and just enjoy beautiful downtown Stillwater. It's fall right here, right now, so the trees are turning colors, and so it's a beautiful place to sit with a few beeping noises to go with it. That's the beautiful Cockburn room here at Hotel Crosby, and I think before we head on to the next room, I'm just going to kick back in this beanbag chair and relax for a minute. We'll see you in a minute. Hennessey Presidential Suite, which is a beautiful room you'll see, and a large room with 2 bedrooms, a seating area, a gas fireplace with a large screen TV above it, another full kitchen. Let's head over to one of the 2 bedrooms. These beautiful roller barn doors as you enter. Again, big large photo murals on the wall, another TV, chair, 2 beds, and if that wasn't enough, your own nice private beanbag seating area here with the artistic twig feature. Leads you into, oops, I forgot the light in this one. Your bathroom with yet again another photo mural. 1 sink with plenty of counter space. Of course, toilet. And again, nice walk-in shower with the glass door. And let's head back over to the other side of your presidential Hennessey suite. Try not to make you dizzy here. Walk all the way to the other side of the room again. The slider doors. Full king-size bed, lots of pillows, a couple chairs, and TV in this room as well. And a neat wooden feature table here, again made out of sticks. And then this room also has, besides the dresser there, it has its own bathroom and washer and dryer, so you need not pack too many clothes. You can just wash them after a few days stay here. Again, another photo mural. Guy getting his workout there. And bathroom with sink and lighted mirror like we've seen in the other bathrooms. And of course, toilet, and again, full walk-in tiled shower. So again, the Hennessey Presidential Suite is a beautiful room with lots and lots of space and comfortable arrangements that would be great for a family or some couples to come and stay together and relax. Any season of the year is great here in Stillwater with plenty of restaurants and attractions nearby. Or you could just hang out here next to your gas fireplace and enjoy time together. Beautiful room. And a closer look here at the, again, full kitchen. 4 bar stools here to come and sit at to have a little breakfast or snack. Full island with sink. Flat top stove. Of course, a microwave. Full fridge, freezer, coffee station, dishwasher, sink. This would be a place you could come and stay and prepare your own meals and not even have to leave your room if you didn't want to, although there's a lot of amenities here you might want to go explore. And here's another conference space that they have for you to meet in with your group, overlooking Main Street here in Stillwater. Matchstick Bar and Restaurant here at Hotel Crosby. Let's take a pan around here. Large, beautiful bar, lots of whiskey on display, and again overlooks downtown Stillwater. Behind me here, just shelves and shelves of different kinds of whiskey. And again, a beautiful setting to sit down, have a drink, or eat a meal. And for a great way to end the day, they have this beautiful whiskey tasting room. Thanks again for watching today. I hope you've learned a lot about Hotel Crosby here in Stillwater, Minnesota. I know I've learned that I need to come up with some adjectives other than the word beautiful for future videos, so watch for that. If you are looking to travel soon, we would love to help design your next dream vacation. You can go to our website, dreamtravelbydesign.com, and scroll through there. There's lots of buttons on there where you can click for a free consultation with us to design that vacation. You can also go to our Dream Travel Facebook page to see what we're doing there, and click on the Visit Group button if you would like to join our VIP group so you can be part of our next giveaway. We do giveaways quite often, and that's the place to go to be part of those. Links for our Facebook and Instagram pages are in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our next videos, and go check out our other videos, which are here and here, and check those out as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.